Please stand by. An emergency action notification has been issued for the United States of America by the White House. As of 8 minutes ago, at approximately 12 a.m., an anomalous and unexplainable change has occurred involving the sun, which now renders all sunlight, including reflected moonlight, highly dangerous upon direct contact, resulting in the melting of your flesh. As such, it is advised that you avoid all natural light for the foreseeable future. Firstly, cover yourself with several layers of clothing so as not to leave any bit of skin uncovered. Then, cover up all windows and openings in your home. Do not leave your house until further notice, as we are currently attempting to establish a safe method for you to get basic necessities, which will take up to 24 hours at most as we need to analyze all potential threats that may come with this event. Unfortunately, the entirety of Europe and Africa, along with a significant part of Asia and Australia, have collapsed as a result of most people being outside while this event began. Until the remaining parts of the world and their leaders can stabilize, we are unable to get any outside support. We in South America are on our own now, for what could potentially be years. This message will repeat until new information is available. Stay tuned to media outlets for further information.